Assalamu alaikum, my name is Imran Siddiq and welcome to English with Immi. In today's video, I am going to share with you some very important vocabulary words for IELTS speaking specifically, but you can also use them in your writing. I am going to give you topic relevant vocabulary, and I'm sure that this will help you to hit a very good band score. Remember, in IELTS, using good vocabulary means getting good band score. It is one of the very important component in speaking test of IELTS. And I'm sure if you use this vocabulary in your speaking, you will definitely be getting 7+ band score. I'm not saying that you can't use it in writing, but I'm giving you just for the sake that you can also use it in your writing. But before we move on, I just want to ask you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and please share it with others. So let's get started. Okay, so today's topic is technology. I am going to give you 11 words with their meanings and possible sentences. मैं आपको इस वीडियो में IELTS की जो रेलिवेंट वोकैबुलरी है, टॉपिक रेलिवेंट वोकैबुलरी टेक्नोलॉजी के हवाले से, उसमें 11 वर्ड्स दूंगा और उनके साथ जो हम जुमले बना सकते हैं, उनके मानी और उनके जुमले. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड जो हमारे पास आज है, दैट इज़ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एंड इनएफिशिएंट. मीन्स इसका मतलब यह है कि ऐसी चीज़ जो वक्त ज़्यादा ले और उसकी अफादियत इतनी ना हो, जो टाइम टेकिंग हो और उसकी यूटिलिटी कम हो, उसका अफादियत थोड़ी हो. यू कैन यूज दिस इन अ सेंटेंस लाइक इन मॉडर्न डेज कीपिंग डेटा इन पेपर्स is very time consuming and inefficient. Word number 2 is a computer buff. Computer buff is a person who is extremely good with using computer, जो कि कंप्यूटर इस्तेमाल करने में बहुत एक्सपर्ट और बहुत अच्छा है. इसका पॉसिबल जो सेंटेंस हो सकता है, My friend Ali is a computer buff. Whenever I have any problem, I go see him. Word number 3 that we have is to access websites. Access website meaning to visit website. Website को visit करना. My uncle normally access websites after his job. मेरे अंकल अक्सर वेबसाइट्स को एक्सेस करते हैं अपनी जॉब के बाद, बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी बिजी ड्यूरिंग द डे, क्योंकि वो दिन में काफ़ी मसरूफ़ होते हैं. वर्ड नंबर 4 इज़ टू बैकअप फाइल्स. is to make a copy. To back up file means to make a copy. My computer system has an automatic backup file system in it. The next word is send an attachment. Send attachment means to send email with some file. It's always good to send an attachment when you are sending something to your boss. Word number 6 is to go online. Means use internet. I don't usually go online during the day. मैं दिन में ऑनलाइन नहीं जाता. वायरलेस नेटवर्क ऐसा नेटवर्क जो केबल्स के बगैर हो, a network without cables. Nowadays, most of the people use wireless network both at their jobs and at their homes. Word number 8 is silver surfer. Silver surfer एक ऐसा शख्स होता है जो बूढ़ा है लेकिन कंप्यूटर का इस्तेमाल करता है. I can't believe seeing your uncle using the computer even though he is in his late 70s. He is still a silver surfer. Word number 9 is on cutting edge technology. Cutting edge technology meaning बहुत latest और modern. Possible sentence could be my friend's Ali's computer or laptop is on the cutting edge technology. मेरे दोस्त अली का लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर बहुत जदीद किस्म का है. word number 10 for today is operating system. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक ऐसा इनिशियल सिस्टम होता है जो आपके कंप्यूटर को रन करने के लिए ज़रूरी होता है. I need a new operating system for my computer. Thanks a lot for watching this short video. I have tried to give you some good vocabulary words relevant to the topic technology. I'm sure if you use these words both in your speaking, specifically in your speaking and in your writing, it can help you improve your band score and get 7+ bands. Please, if you like the video, give a thumb up. And if you want to ask any question, you're more than welcome. Happy IELTS learning. Bye bye.